My name is Balot. These are my brothers Via
Hello.
and Vavan. Hello. Hoo. And today we have a special guest, Daffy. Yay!
And we're gonna make a butterfly. Fly in the sky. And all you need is a styrofoam cup, a tiny bowl, a popsicle stick, a pipe cleaner,
Scissors
googly eyes,
and some glitter.
glitter glue. We're using it to decorate.
Yes. Which is
And you can decorate it however you want.
Yeah.
And we're gonna use glitter glue, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Let's get started. First, you need to get your tiny bowl and choose two colors of construction paper. I choose yellow and orange. What do you choose?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Purple and blue.
Good. What do you choose? Are you even awake? Hello? Are you sleeping? We're going to the house.
I choose purple and green.
Yay. So first you're going to get your bowl. Okay.
Oh, yeah, find it.
And
Find it.
then you're going to draw two. And you're going to trace two circles with this pencil. And
With a board.
yeah. And then after that, you're going to get your styrofoam cup and draw two circles with that. No, not that way. Like this. Okay, wrong way again. Okay, last chance. Do it. No.
Oh, yeah.
Seriously?
It's
Okay,
bouncing.
let's do this. Wait, yours? Okay, I'll help you trace. Oh.
It's like a helicopter. I made a helicopter.
Oh! Come on, you're done your two giant circles. Oh, you're next.
I'm gonna just do it. And then where's the...
Do it. First you do it, and then I'm gonna do it.
I don't know which one do I do first. Oh, my mom said. Oh yeah.
Your mom said.
I'm
Uncle Frankie. Yvonne! You wanna sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Okay, I think that's a yes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Oh no.
It's okay. Why are you singing rock and roll?
Why is this? Oh my God! Why is it this is a deer? Yeah. Papa. Why they were so hot?
Why?
Because they were in the hot fire.
Are you okay? Okay. My turn. What did the mama yak say to the her kid when he went to college?
At college, क्या होता है? And mama, fire
Bison.
Bison.
Bison. Like bison. Bison. Are you getting his eyes checked? Are you getting the special guest's eyes checked now?
Yes.
Oh my god, we're not eye doctors.
Okay. This eye is not good.
Oh!
Now the nose. This nose is not good.
Oh no.
This nose is not good.
Oh no! Hello?
Oh.
Get it? And we're gonna get another colored paper. It's gonna be another different color.
Yeah.
It's gonna be yellow for me.
Maggie.
You already started, okay. And be careful because scissors are super duper duper sharp.
Or you can cut your fingers.
Yes. Do that. Oh, okay. Okay. Ready?
If
Gotta
you
cut
don't
these
have
out,
a
okay?
bandage and you got hurt, then what? Okay, I'm almost done.
What? I'm trying to help Vivon.
Look, already did my first one. Am I too fast?
Way too fast.
Way too fast?
Way too fast.
Way too fast? Oh, am I doing way too fast?
Yeah.
It's my goal.
What does that even mean?
Okay, I'm almost done with my second one.
What?
Yep, I'm done.
Me too.
Ow.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I have another type of scissors?
Oh, that happened to mine too. It's okay. Okay. Back to go.
Tacos, big ones. I think Vavan is trying to say.
We gotta glue them on. Yeah, we gotta glue
Vavan
them
is trying to say the big ones and the small ones. We have to glue them
Yeah,
on.
so we're gonna do like.
Wait.
We're gonna glue them on like this. So the big one's on the top, small one's on the bottom, and then we're gonna flip it over.
To make a butterfly.
We're gonna fly. We're gonna fly.
We're gonna fly super high in space.
I don't think in space.
In space.
That would be like crazy.
The captain and the pants.
Okay, Vivon. Ready?
This is like an antidote. Look. Dun 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 dun. It's like a bumper.
And then put a little bit of glue on.
You know what's even glue?
Oh, okay, that's it. Spread it out.
You
Okay,
didn't
put a little bit more. Put a little more.
You didn't know how to put.
Right here. Yeah, that's good.
You didn't know how to spread it out.
Yeah.
That's not how you spread it out.
Yeah. And then, ready, Vivon?
Yeah.
Glue this.
Okay.
Whoa.
Can I have it, please? Start.
Now we gotta work on the googly eyes and decorations on. What did you lose your googly eyes?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, I think I put on way too much. Okay. First gonna do mine.
Middle.
Three. Yeah, I'm doing 1 second. Let me do mine first. I think I did it again.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, yeah.
Let's
decorate now.
I'm gonna choose this one. Actually, no.
You want that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would just do blue. Yeah. Let's just do blue.
Is this even coming?
Oh wow. This is amazing. Whoa. Yours looks amazing.
Thank you. Yours looks amazing too.
Thank you. I'm gonna choose black.
Nice.
To do the dots. Look my different dots. Do you like them?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at black jelly.
Black jelly.
Sort of look black jelly.
Why are we talking about jelly right now?
Coming really far, I feel for a compliment. So far, I'm trying more. For a trying, heap on, banana, It's like a blob.
So now I'm gonna make a V like this.
Like V for line.
Yeah, V. And then stick it on the bottom like this so then it looks actually like a butterfly. You can use tape or glue.
Yeah.
Yeah.